Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Felicity Nicolas. After every gym session, I always take a moment to slow down. Hindi lang para magpahinga, but to reset my mind. Kasi for me, success is not just about working hard. It's also about taking care of yourself. From the gym, dumadaan ako sa favorite coffee shop just around the corner. Simple lang, coffee, tablet, and quiet moment. Pero in that small space, ang daming dreams na nabubuo. Habang nakupo ako doon, I'm not just scrolling. I'm planning my next vacation. Yes po, sariling travel ko, sariling booking, sariling diskarte. I check flights, compare schedules, and book my ticket using my personal portal. Salamat sa Double Say Travel for giving me access to a very user-friendly booking system where I can book local and international flights, hotels, tours, travel insurance, and even tourist visa assistance all in one place. Every time I confirm a booking for myself, I feel proud. Because as a travel agent, I believe in walk the talk. Hindi pwedeng puro post lang ng destinations. Hindi pwedeng puro encourage lang ng clients to travel. Kailangan tayo mismo nag-experience. Travel builds confidence. Travel builds stories. Travel builds credibility. I've been doing this business for more than 5 years now. And to be honest, it wasn't always easy. May mga slow moments, may mga doubts, may time na gusto mong sumuko, but I kept going because I knew I wanted freedom. Freedom of time, freedom of location, freedom to earn while exploring the world. Now I get the travel while saving and earning at the same time. Hindi siya overnight success. It's consistency. It's faith. It's showing up even when it's hard. So if you're watching this and you're dreaming of traveling more, earning more, and living with purpose, maybe this is your sign. Start small, stay consistent, believe in your vision. From a simple coffee shop routine to real flights and real destinations. I'm Felicity Nicolas, and this is your reminder. Don't just dream about the life you want, work for it. Build it. And when you're ready, book that flight.